southwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado until 10 p.m. At 9:11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Roggen, or 25 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Wiggins. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Fuck.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Storm's ready for
Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.
dear Lord.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
Yeah, there's a possibility. School might be canceled tomorrow.
This is NOAA All Hazards.